This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Karen Sandler. 3-bedroom, den, 2-bath, 1-car garage home with den on an oversized waterfront lot. Open floor plan. Just a few of the many features this property includes is a metal roof, newly installed vinyl flooring, and stainless steel appliances. Metal roof. The den can easily be made into a 4th bedroom. Large, covered porch overlooking the canal and large backyard. Great location, just a short drive to shopping, restaurants and the beach. Close to the Hospital and Crosstown Parkway. Easy walk to Savanna's Preserve and Port Street. Lucie High School. AC and hot water heater less than year old. For more information, review the details below.